There comes a moment in life when you look in the mirror and realize the person staring back at you is not the person you were meant to become. You see the potential hiding in your eyes, but you also see the excuses, the hesitation, the fear that has kept you small. And in that moment, a voice inside whispers, "Enough." Because deep down, you know it, there is a stronger, bolder, more powerful version of you waiting to be unleashed. But the weak version of you, the one who procrastinates, who doubts, who settles, that version has to die, not tomorrow, not someday, today, right now. This is the moment you stop negotiating with your limitations. You have carried your weaknesses like they are part of your identity. I can't. I'm tired. Maybe later. What if I fail? These words have built a cage around your potential, but cages only exist for those who accept them. You were not born to live inside your excuses. You were born to overcome them. The week you survived this long because you fed it with comfort, with distractions, with fear. You gave it power. Every time you chose what was easy instead of what was necessary. But easy never builds legends. Easy never transforms lives. Easy is the language of the weak version of you, the version that keeps you stuck while life moves on without you. Look at your life right now. Every dream you haven't achieved, every opportunity you missed, every goal you abandoned halfway, all of them were stolen by that weak version of you, the one who was too afraid to try, the one who cared too much about what others would think, the one who waited for motivation instead of building discipline. That version of you is not your friend, it is your enemy. And if you want to rise, if you want to evolve, if you want to become unstoppable, you must kill that weak version of yourself once and for all. Imagine who you could be if you stopped making excuses for just 1 year. Imagine the body you could build, the skills you could master, the money you could earn, the respect you could gain not from others, but from yourself. You know what that would feel like, freedom. Not the freedom the world gives you, the freedom you create when you take control of your own life. But here's the truth, the stronger version of you will not appear magically. It must be built in silence, in sweat, in struggle, in sacrifice. It must be built in the moments when no one is watching, when no applause is given, when it feels like quitting would be easier. That is where the new you is forged. And the weak version of you, it will fight back. It will scream that you're tired. It will whisper that you're not good enough. It will remind you of every failure you've ever had. But remember this, the weak voice is loud only because you've listened to it for too long. Today, its voice must be silenced. You kill the weak version of yourself by doing the opposite of what it wants. When it says sleep more, you get up. When it says take a break, you push harder. When it says you can't, you show it you can. Every action against comfort is a blow to your weaker self. Every small victory is a wound that weakens its control over you. This is not a transformation of the body only, this is a transformation of character. You are rewriting your identity. You are breaking your own limits. You are proving to yourself that you are not defined by your weaknesses but by your choices. And one day, maybe weeks from now, maybe months, you will look in the mirror again. But this time, you will not see the person who was afraid. You will see the one who fought back, the one who destroyed every excuse, the one who refused to stay small, the one who killed the weak version and replaced it with strength, resilience, and discipline. That version of you is waiting, but you must earn it. So here is your moment, your turning point. Not next month, not next week, not tomorrow morning. Now, right now, stand up, breathe, and make a decision that will change your life. The weak version of me dies today because the world is not moved by your potential, it is moved by your actions. Your dreams don't care about your excuses, they care about your commitment. And your future self is begging you to stop wasting time and start becoming the person you were always meant to be. So, listen carefully. This is your call to action. This is your moment to rise. This is the beginning of your transformation. Kill the weak version of yourself by refusing to live another day as that person. Start doing the things you've been avoiding. Start embracing discomfort. Start showing up even when you don't feel like it, because discipline is the weapon, consistency is the armor, and a stronger you is the result. From this moment forward, you are no longer the person who waits, who fears, who doubts. You are the person who decides, who commits, who acts. You are the person who rebuilds themselves piece by piece, day by day. This is your rebirth. This is your evolution. This is your time. Now go. Do the work your weak self never dared to do. Become the person your future self will be proud of. Modify yourself and let the world see what happens when a human being kills their weakness and awakens their true power.